gentle, smooth, soothing serum restores comfort and hydration for visibly stressed out skin. This lightweight formula features well-researched marine postbiotic and soothing botanicals to help skin visibly appear more clear, balanced, and healthy looking. So if you want to know one of my secrets, this is it. Then we have got the cleanser. In this video, I'm going to be explaining about the Beauty Support Deluxe Pack. Now, as the name implies, this is the deluxe version, the top of the range Beauty Support Pack. There are also smaller packs, Essential Pack and the Premium Pack. Do check out or search for the videos on this channel, which I've also shared. You get a few less items, however, they're all also great. So depending on your budget or your requirements, you can either select the Beauty Support Essential Pack, Beauty Support Premium Pack, or this Beauty Support Deluxe Pack. Start off with the probiotics. These are in powder form. It's been guaranteed to survive the harsh environment of our stomach. Our stomach is acidic, and a lot of things get destroyed by the acidity in our stomach. However, this one has been proven to survive the harsh environment of our stomach. It's a very fine powder. You take it with a small glass of water, ideally before a meal, so that it helps the gut to actually create those good gut bacteria. As we age, past the age of 30, 35, our bodies make less of these probiotics, which is why we need supplementation. Now, bio means live, so if you're someone who has been ill and been prescribed antibiotics, the name explains itself. Anti means against. So if you're taking or you have taken a course of antibiotics, it will also destroy the good gut bacteria in your body whilst helping to deal with the illness that you're having as well, which is why prebiotics or probiotics is important to be taken. This one is the Proflavanol C200. This is what the tablet looks like. It's a double layer of beige and brown. Contains a high quality vitamin C and also grapeseed extract. Now, if you've ever eaten grapes with seeds, then often you may have been misinformed that the seeds should not be consumed. We tend to spit it out, and these days most of the seeds are seedless because the producers have listened to what the consumers want. Most consumers think the seeds of the grapes are inconvenience and not to be consumed. So the growers have actually produced seedless grapes, which is not ideal. The seeds of the grapes have a lot of benefits as well, which is why this smart supplier has decided to include that in supplementation so that we can get the benefits of it. Biomega, this is the fish oil. You can see it's so well made. It doesn't have any of the fishy, after fishy taste that you consume. It has a little bit of lemon oil and vitamin D in it as well. So you just have to consume it, and we have done studies where this is the only brand that doesn't have any pollutants and any harsh chemicals that is found from other fish brand oils, which is why we highly recommend this. And we've got the core minerals, which are the minerals our body needs to function adequately. Minerals such as copper, selenium, magnesium, for example, and many other ingredients that is found in these core minerals. This one is the antioxidant. Oxidation happens to us every day because we are exposed to stress in life. We're exposed to pollution from vehicles, for example, any, harsh chemicals that sprayed in the air, even things like air freshener. A lot of them have chemicals in it. Cleaning materials have chemicals in it. So this is the supplement that we recommend you take to slow down the oxidation process, which is why it's called vital antioxidant. Now, with regards to the skincare range, these are the 4. This one is what we call the rescue serum. It is 50 ml, the size, and it comes in a pump form. All you need is just a little squirt, and you can just put it on your face, and it gently hydrates. I'm just going to read out what's on the back of the bottle. It says, gentle, smooth, soothing serum restores comfort and hydration for visibly stressed out skin. This lightweight formula features well-researched marine postbiotic and soothing botanicals to help skin visibly appear more clear, balanced, and healthy looking. So if you want to know one of my secrets, this is it. Then we have got the cleanser, 100 ml. So all these products, they are plain friendly in terms of it's below 100 ml. So you can actually carry it in your hand carry. This is a cleanser. It contains postbiotic and sweet almond oil. It's a microfoaming cleanser powered by postbiotics and hydrating sweet almond oil to gently dissolve dirt and impurities, visibly balance the skin's natural moisture barrier. Features a slight cooling effect for a refreshing feeling. So this is cleanser which you can use on your face. It's similar to like soap. However, it's got lots of benefits as well. For those of you who are maybe allergic to almonds, there's been studies done over various types of skin, and no one has actually had any negative effects on the almond oil. However, if you're still concerned, then do try a small patch on your skin to try and see what how your skin copes as well. This one is berry balm, 63.8 grams in size. Okay, so this innovative hydrating balm powered by postbiotics strengthens the skin's natural protective layer to help support and balance the skin microbiome. Its rich, creamy texture gently melts into the nourishing balm-like finish to soothe dry, irritated skin or sensitive skin. It's fairly thick. Just a little bit goes a long way. You can obviously put more. I've been putting all these on my face and on my body at the start of this day as well, so I'm just putting a little less. However, you can put more. I've been using these 4 products for the last few weeks, and a little goes a long way. The last one is called Soothing Moisturizer. It's 50 ml. Comes in a nice pump form as well, a little bit only. You can see it's quite gentle, quite liquid. And again, you can just put it on your face or any parts of the body that needs hydration. It says soak in the hydration of this dewy gel cream moisturizer with added postbiotics technology. Visibly calm your stressed complexion and help rebalance your skin's moisture barrier while visibly transforming dull skin. Leave skin feeling refreshed and ready for a confident glow. So this is the one. Now, if you want to check out these premium pack, this deluxe pack, then the link is in the comments and also on this video. As I mentioned also, there are small packs which are the premium and the essential one if you want to try less of these products. Any pack will actually suit you. And if you also want to order maybe individual items, you can as well. Check out the link and just check out these products. As the saying goes, you never know until you try. Unless you try, you will never know how these products will benefit you. So I hope you found this video useful. Remember to give me a thumbs up, like, and also subscribe to this channel for more tips on well-being and in particular skin health.